Hello my people, I don't care for dropping another video. So this one video today could be very educative, informative, and like it build people then off or be aware of the thing the way they go for the society. So before we jump into the topic, I want to tell una say I beg Mona no joke can watch you go because I did when I go through my video they say I get almost 1 point something k, but my subscriber they never reach even half of my thing the way I get that for my view. I'm begging una help me for the subscribe. Maybe some people they know be aware so they give for subscribe. Una subscribe, una like the video, una share it to una friends so that they fit benefit too for the kind of information the world they can for our channel. So for our channel today we'll get a lot of things that we want to talk, but before we want just pay our tribute for this 5-year-old pikin way Wambele Kaki be happen for shooting it die just like that. So we want to say me any man take a quiet moment for pray for this speaking and pray for our country as a whole Cameroon. We pray say one day things then will change. I will pray say for this speaking situation, may the government don't say like a roundabout for time around for the powers where they don't give for Wambele Kaki them because things are not go out of hand. So we want to say me our country being at we will go back one day being proud and it will visit to our roots and because a lot of us will not go back visit to our roots and again from Cameroon. We want to say me God receive this one little baby princess, this small cute nice angelic godly pikin, very beautiful. May God receive his soul. And one praise me God also take control in the heart of the mom, the mommy for this pikin because it's not easy for lost pikin for this kind of drastic manner. It's better that pikin for the sick for hospital may mommy go the feed the look how we pikin the improve day by day, then it can lose the pikin down. Say me they may lost the pikin for this kind of way. It be very heartbreaking. And from the look of things, this woman it don't even the behave like say it go mad. We pray because we the people that will not fit move this woman from this situation and only God will handle this woman situation as of this time. Okay, we don't talk about that one more. We'll skip that one come up before this one video can end up now in tears. Yes, so now one skip again go for Big Boutiques. Yes, we'll see how Big Boutiques celebrate the sad clothes removal of a mommy. We want to talk say now joy of every mommy for see say it begin feel lovely even for a grave because some people then now when their parent don't die automatically 2 days 3 days 1 month 2 weeks they don't forget them. But Big Boutiques remember the love for a mommy for a very long period of time. So they wear black so they feel move. How many of we use them to do we forgo our fashion, we forgo what designers them for pay allegiance to our parents. I want to thank the whole community they be go for they for go support it like Travel with Grand Diva and Delicia Beat and other people they will I don't know where maybe I not see them but I don't know them or maybe I see them I don't know them. I want to thank them to say when I go give this kind of support and the kind thing and this will need for our community support each other, show example to us the youth so that we feel the copy and the right things then. Again, I want to say people the way that they analyze a sackcloth remover, it's really bad. It really be bad because this sackcloth remover not be a wedding, a birthday party or whatever. This is allegiance to the dead. So no man not supposed to analyze this kind of thing. We just give for talk say may God continue to give you power or if we do this kind of things for our late ones. And then we want to say people the way that they try for analyze Travel with Grand Diva it close way well. This life all thing for this way na vanity. I mean say vanity upon vanity. Who is the show for? Why is the show of this Travel with Grand Diva? It don't accept them. So when it be start it blogging, maybe it not be blocked for the way it be please some people there. But as time they go on, it try to know the thing the way that will be accommodating in the society. It try to please we because Siam, whether or not accept that or not, we Cameroonians they will be very backward. I mean say I be the go for Nigerian gossip vlogging. So when they even talk about their country talk, I still try for listen so that I feel pick something every day, so that I feel entertain myself. But the guys were come with gossip vlog for Cameroon. It make I will even be busy. How many people they didn't know when they not feel you touch their phone and not go YouTube for go see where to they play. So I just try to say if you they analyze to the end. What about the fancy way well? What about a nice outfit way be well? More not just be full of hate. More not be full of hate all the time. More accept some things the way they be nice. And who say be the goal for go support person way they move sackcloth? What will not be expect? Say make up they will all fly rainbow this what no. And then again I want to talk about Things the way I don't learn am for 237 community as this saga dey go on. I'll be right for toxic group of friendship no fine. As a lady, for you forget a group of friends, the one dey show say even men dem forget a group of friends wey una dey share a lot no fine. I watch this show where Villa Mama try for make am, she be 100% correct for that her show, but due to intimidation, due to the fear of insult, Villa Mama change for the next video. Villa Mama talk say if it be Lady B, if will comot for that big fight because they didn't mean well for her, and that was the truth. He said he talk any true words, but at the end of the day, it changed. But people, group friendship no fine. Even no matter how they paint, I no fine. We don't see a lot of things that don't transpire. A lot of things that don't transpire. Man, even over talk for that one. Man, talk about this Bridget Benjamin a visit to Dubai where they claim say he want come for soon gonna better. And it talk about the foundation where they open up for Lady B. First, before I talk, I want to educate you now for the laws of the country where they, because any side where I go, the first thing where they learn on the law for that country. More talk about the laws of UAE. How did they do arrest? How did they do court case? First, for UAE, it be very difficult. So you do on a visit visa, they allow you to open a case for person where you go pursue that case. Case for UAE it take 1 month, 2 months. It take years. So now whether they give priority for people, they get Emirates ID so they fit open case, because this country they encourage peace and not war. You fit see some serious case, so when I go police tell una say una solve this thing amicably. If they tell una say war no fine, I mean Dubai police advise people then so say war no fine, a fight no fine. Una try to solve this thing amicably. So the lady used to give chance for people that they on visit visa for open case for people there, because they know so they not go fit for push through. It be super expensive and it take a long time, especially when they been a criminal offense where they get to catch the person, put it for jail before they investigate the matter. And then again, secondly, Dubai police know they accept case where it concern empty lives, because for their country they need the promoter. They need the promoter. If you do any empty life, this thing put them online, then they put them down and they need to accept that. They'll finally can lock you. Thirdly, for this country, you know if you go sue person way, it not be legal in this country, you not get legal document in this country. You know fit travel come for your visit visa. You can't sue no better way. It there for this thing grace period where they don't cancel it. You want can sue it. No, it be very, very difficult. It be super difficult. Then again, you know fit can sue person. You know fit, for example, you know fit can sue person for jurisdiction where that thing not happen. Example for Dubai here, if you go for Marina, something happen for Marina, you get for report now for Dubai for Marina. You know fit can for Dubai for how we call it, Sharjah. You know fit can for Dubai for another, and Dubai police for another. For can report to it happen for Marina, it no go happen or for Jumeirah. No, so same thing. Lady B, it's in where it happen. Whether now who bring this thing for aside, una the person and gonna better bring her. So Lady B get for travel from wherever it come for Dubai. From gonna better is jurisdiction, the area where they can report gonna better. You understand how the thing they go as they claim. Then I'm gonna better bring the thing for aside. And again, for this country, whether now who you know pick and sue on behalf of another person, excepting for your picking when you're picking a minor. If you're picking up a minor, you know if you sue another person because of it. So why Bridget Benjamin wants soon gonna on behalf of Lady B? You are not her mother, and even if you're her mother, you cannot sue. You cannot, you know if you do and so this cheap popularity what you want make her online would blackmail people their emotions, because you know if they way you been a bad person and they want a bad person, because from the look of things the whole social media don't back, it don't scatter. So no man if you can talk say he wants to another person for another person he own bad. Even if you get trillion millions, Dubai police they follow the things that has it supposed to be. You know if it one sue person when you know you're in and out. How come? Then again, see the way I don't learn them again for this social media, and I say some people they do they want push people, they mean they fight their enemy and gain their popularity. You Bridget Benjamin, you don't date for social media for how long? You know say and say that now we are named over come on for aside because of the negative thing the way they do, and I wait till that way be one time you don't get and live and some more rest. Leave place more rest. Okay, leave this young girl, they they insult themselves, me them talk whatever to they want to talk but you know being a propagator, like you be an author, or you be a director. Then again, una forget all the foundation wey dem do am. That one na scam. All those things are scam. And then I wan ask am, but Jabena may say get money, he don't do this one long or no better, he want do the you know say I say the food dope Sarah. You know say I say the deceiving. Now you send me them contribute for dope Sarah, or me them find life for dope Sarah for camp for Europe. They are picking them for Nigeria. With that money we get, and why you know if you send it for Canada or America, according to you, the claim so you get money. You work and help na dope Sarah so that it will continue you the cheap popularity you want them. For your old age, what you want to do again with fame, what you want to do with popularity for this age. Time we begin for make your name done already pass. You say Mama G they start make their name nana. Mama G start act scenes and the people they push you for up because of the positive vibes we be the gear for outside. I don't say I say even bad person get the own friend. So no way no do if you force Cameroon community me they say and say you be bad Bridget Benjamin because of it. It don't be na cruise people they cash out for social media, but they forget for notice. So other people they suffer pass on another one day. All these things the way they do it for social media, so you know they help for no way. Because the truth is that all the way the part of that place is not evil. Villa Mama don't can stand tall, he talk him, but they go threaten him. Nah, it don't change. So freedom no dey again for social media. If grant they do something wey I no like, I like my camera pee and then I still go back for you. If big boutique do you own, I feel like my camera I go pee big boutiques, I will still go back for you. So Odojo try for talk and say make community be the one where any man fit go talk to you, he want talk as far as he know say the thing fit help some person. Then we want to talk about this community where any man do work talk your own about Cameroon YouTube and then talk your own thing about Cameroon YouTube. Without the Cameroon YouTube, then una begin entertainment from Cameroon for YouTube. Una not be get them. So even when I condemn people, they will give them small credit. But then I wish come on, I wish come, they not be come, we not forget no entertainment. So put it now so they don't even come for online, they not go for YouTube. So now the short small thing that I get and can't give my people them. I love una too much and una stay positive, always say the truth and stand by the truth. Thank you, I love you.